Uh, I'm doing a quick outtake on this video to show something that I don't often get a chance to show because it doesn't happen that often. And in conjunction with the time that I remember that I should make it, I usually remember by the time the watch is back together. So 6139s, 6138s, other watches like those, like the Pogue styles that have a fixed bezel with a scale on it, where the scale has to align with the dial. It's one of the times when you have to, contrary to normal practice, put the new crystal and get the bezel on with the movement cased. So there we are, freshly serviced. So we just temporarily put our case back on, just kind of vaguely snug. I don't know why it never occurs to me to film from the side. Why don't I do that? It's never occurred to me before. I guess maybe because my hand would get in the way. Maybe I tried it and my hand gets in the way. Okay, that's the answer. Okay. So we have 4 components. Well, 5 if you count the gasket. There's a rotating ring. See, my hand gets in the way. There we go. 1. Then we get our warpy washer. Friction spring diddly. Then we get this is the ring that the gasket sits on. It goes right here and holds that down. Then we put on our L gasket. Now, you'll notice that it has been lightly greased. There's a reason for that. Well, there's a number of reasons. One, it makes installing the crystal so much easier. But 2, it's Seiko's directive to do so. You're supposed to grease them lightly. So you get that to sit down in there. Then we have one of our brand new Type 1 flat top crystals. These, I've been dreaming about these for years. So anyway, and this is always fun. You only ever press down, never ever sideways, only down. If you can't seat it going straight down, then pull the thing apart and try it again. Don't ever try to put any sideways pressure into this ever. The crystal can slip in a microsecond and you'll run a stripe right across the dial. Just ask me how I know that terrible I when I put on bezels, I like to speed grease the underneath of it. I makes it snap on a little better and doesn't do any harm. It coats the metal under there. Now what I do here, I get one of my handy dandy protective wrap things. And what they do, put it in there, and you wrap it nice and tight. And what that does is that'll hold your orientation correct once you, of course, get your orientation correct. And that's going to be lots of fun. And I don't have my crown set right. Okay, hang on. Okay, I think I've got a good alignment there. Looking at it, you know, looking down the barrel there, seeing if you can match it up. So let's try it. And then the wrap kind of holds it in place through that process, as well as protects the insert and everything else like that. Here's my handy dandy BB Crystal Company crystal press. So this is where we hope that, well, it just snapped on. Let me see. Now that alignment is now, look, the ring, ignore the indicator ring. I think I nailed it. think I nailed it. Let's see. Nope, I don't like it. Hey, this is attempt number 2. Oh, come on. Open up. It's ridiculous. How did this happen? Get. Lay a ruler across it is what I should do. Attempt 3. Yes, that's good. I did it.